Hi, I'm Harold Coons. I'm with the Johnson Air Rotation Division. We're here today to take a closer look at a drain pan. We're looking here at a coil module, the drain pan portion of it. It's in the skeletalized form. It's just come back from testing, water testing. It's a fully welded 304 stainless steel construction. You might see a few water drops here, and it's being placed in the line. It's sloped two ways to the center from both sides to a center trough, and then the trough has a deep slope away from us to carry condensate on down to a condensate connection at the other end for either gravity drain or pumping. Cross members in the unit here are for the grate, walk grate down the center, which provides for the maintenance people to come in and inspect it, clean it. It's very easily cleaned. This design promotes good drainage and doesn't allow buildup of mold or bacteria or any kind of growth that you wouldn't want in a facility. One important feature on our drain pan designs is that we found we really need a good insulation underneath this drain pan so that the cold drain pan doesn't attract condensate from the area and become a part of the problem with condensate running out on the floor from the room air before it gets into the coils. We completely foam this, and then the foam is painted with a protective coating to prevent any growth on the foam itself. At this end of the drain pan, we have our condensate nipple. This is where you would hook your U-trap onto or your condensate pump to remove the condensate that the system coils are pulling out in the pan. This Johnson design has evolved over the years. We think it provides the end user with the benefits they need, prevents bacteria, mold growth, things like Legionnaire's disease is a possibility. There's no drainage on the floor. The features are there. It's 304 stainless, all welded, very rugged. It'll last for many, many years. If anybody doesn't offer a drain pan of similar features, then you're getting a lesser drain pan that may be a problem for you. I want to thank you for joining us today for this webinar where you've seen some of the detailed construction that goes into the Johnson units. Hopefully this has been of use to you in deciding how you're going to specify equipment. We think these features are important, and we think that you will too. Please look for other webinars in the future. We hope to see you again. Thank you.